911, state your emergency.
There's some guys. They're gonna kill my mom and dad. Can you come, please?
What happened? Where are you at?
No. Can you come really fast, please?
Okay, tell me what happened.
They come. They ring the door and they have guns. They shoot my mom and dad.
Right now?
Yeah. Can you come really fast? Bring a cop.
Okay, listen to me. I have them coming.
None of them.
Listen to me. I have them coming, hon. Listen, okay? Listen to me. Take a deep breath. I already have the police coming.
I'm ready to go too.
Listen, hon. How old are you?
7 years old.
Okay. 7? Listen to me. Where are you at in the house?
Inside the bathroom.
You're in the bathroom? Who's with you?
It's my sister.
How old is she?